and girls, so we're here for a writer's workshop, one more day, day 4, and we're still talking about what can I write about at writer's workshop. So we want to give ourselves lots of ideas before we go to try to write, because if our brain can't think of anything, we're going to waste all our time in writer's workshop and we're not going to have anything to write about. So we're continuing with our heart map. Remember, we're making the heart map to remind us of what we love and what we can write about. So you'll always have this with you, and so if you get stuck and think about, I don't know what to write about, you can look back at your heart map and it'll help you. So some things that we can write about: places, activities, which means things we like to do, family and people, pets and animals. So we've done that so far this week. So what we've done is we've done pets and animals one day. We've done people we love, like our family. Then yesterday we did places. Now remember, I told you it's okay that you're not going to have room to put every place you love. You just picked your favorite place yesterday. But this will remind you when you look at your heart map, what can I write about? Oh yeah, the beach. That's a place I love. I could write about places I love. So in our last heart today, our last topic that we're going to think about are activities, or things we like to do. Things we like to do. So what are some things you like or love to do? So in this picture, the kids are playing on the playground at the monkey bars. This kid is riding a bike. So I want you to start thinking in your brain, what do I like to do for fun and for a hobby? So for example, Mr. Jared, my husband, he loves computers. So he loves to build computers, and he loves playing games on computers, and he loves doing research and watching videos and reading books about computers. He also loves learning about the weather. So he reads lots of books about the weather. He watches videos about the weather. He's also a really good nurse. So sometimes he has to read books, or he has to take classes like CPR for his nurse to be a nurse. And so he learns that way as well. He also loves boats, and he loves to go out on the boat. He loves to fish. He loves to hunt. So Mr. Jared has lots of hobbies and lots of things he likes to do. Miss Nora didn't have as many hobbies. That's why I picked him first as a better example. So Mr. Jared has lots of things he could put in his bottom for things he likes to do. So some things I like to do. I like to cuddle with my kitty, of course, and spend time with my family. So that's something I love to do. I love to watch movies or TV shows. So I like to watch movies and TV. I like to read. I like to listen to music and sing. I like to go on vacations with my family, with Mr. Jared. So those are some of the things I like to do. Not as fun as Mr. Jared, but that's okay. That's the thing that makes us all special, is we all like different things. So think of some things you like to do. Maybe you like to watch movies and TV. Maybe you like to play games. Ooh, I do like to play games. I forgot about that. So maybe you like to play games. It could be a game on your tablet. It could be a board game. It could be a game on like a Nintendo or an Xbox, a video game like that. Maybe you like to go outside and play games. Like sports, you could go outside and play tag, or go to the playground, play on the playground. Maybe you like basketball or football or baseball or soccer or gymnastics or cheerleading or swimming. So those are like different sports, okay, you can think of. Maybe you like to read. That would be awesome. Maybe you like to sing and dance, okay? Maybe you like to play with cars, or you like to read books or do puzzles. Maybe you like to play with Barbies or Barbie dolls or princesses. All right, so think of all the things you like to do. Maybe ride a bike. So think of things you like to do. And try to think of the thing you love to do most. So the thing I love to do most, it doesn't sound very fun, but the thing that I love the most is to stay at home with my family and my kitty and sit in my special chair and watch a movie with my kitty and my husband. That's what Miss Nora likes to do most. So, since that's my favorite thing, that's what I'm I'm going to draw down here for activities. So I'm going to draw as best I can. Now remember, I'm not a good artist. I'm not a good illustrator who's drawing the pictures, but I'm going to try my best. So my chair is brown. I'm going to get my brown chair here. And it even comes out so I can be real lazy and lay in it, where I can stretch out in it and be real lazy and snuggle up with my kitty and my blanket. And Mr. Jared has another chair, so we'll put one over here for him because I said I like to watch movies with him. So we'll put his chair out there too. All right, that's really my chair. That's his chair, I guess, really. All right, and I like to watch TV. So I'm going to put our TV here where you can see it, rectangle shape. All right, where you can see it. And I'm just going to put some people on the screen. It doesn't really matter what we're watching. I just like to spend time with my family. So I'm just going to put some people on the screen for the TV. All right, and who else do I love to join us? Kitty Ross. So first I got to put me in the chair as best I can. Get my eyes. Remember, I'm drawing myself the way I really look. I'm not drawing myself crazy looking with crazy colors. I definitely need to give myself glasses or I won't be able to see the TV. Nora's blind. Not really blind, but if I take off my glasses, I can't see very well. Alright, so I'm going to put my hair. Alright, and then I'm going to draw a big blanket because I love to sit under my blanket. I'm usually cold. So blankets can be any color. So I'm going to just draw a long red blanket because they can be any color. We have all kinds of blankets, so there's probably a red one somewhere. All right, there I am. Now you can't see the rest of my body because I'm snuggled up under my blanket. But what do I want to snuggle with me on my chair, in my lap? My kitty Ross. So I'm going to put him, he likes to sit on the side of the chair or even the bottom. So I'll put him on the side of the chair here. Here he is snuggling. There's his ears. He's got his tail usually in my face because he's silly. All right, there's Kitty Ross. All right, and then I need to add Mr. Jared real quick. I'm going to paint his hair, his beard. I better give him glasses too or he won't be able to see the TV either. Give him a smile because he's happy to be at home with me. Alright, so I got his beard. Give him his little mustache right here. Alright, and he likes to sit in the blanket too sometimes. So I'm going to give him a green blanket. And he's taller than me, so his is going to be longer. His blanket is longer than mine. His legs go all the way out because he's taller than me. So I got to make him taller than Miss Nora. All right, and I may not be able to write, I like to watch TV. Ooh, that's a lot. But I can label my pictures. I know this is me, so I'm going to write M-E for me. I know this is Ross, R-O-S-S-I, Rossi. Here's Mr. Jared, J-A-R-E-D, and T-V. Oh, that's so easy. It's just the letters. T-V. T, and then a V. So that lets me know that when I look at this picture about things I like to do, that I'm watching TV with my husband and, of course, Kitty Ross. And that tells me what I like to do. So today, you're going to think of something you love to do. Now, I know you probably have lots of things that you love to do. Oh, I like to go to the pool, but I didn't put that on there today. That would have been a good one. But I did my favorite thing. So you're going to pick what's your top #1 favorite thing you love to do more than anything. And that's what you're going to draw today in the last part of your heart. And then our heart map will be complete. And then what that'll help us do is we're going to keep our heart map in a safe place. And we can look at it every time we have Writer's Workshop. And it'll remind us, well, what can I write about? I have no idea what to write about today. Let me check my heart map to help me remember. Oh, I can write about pets or animals. Oh, I could write about family or people I love. Oh, the beach. That's a place I love to go. What other places do I love? Ooh, watching TV with my family. What else do I love to do? So this just helps us to remember things we love and what we can write about. That way, when we get to Writer's Workshop every day, because we're going to write every day, because it's so important to write every day to help our brains grow and learn and get smarter, that this will help us to remember and to give us some ideas. So you don't sit there and go, I don't know what to write about. Oh no. So you'll have some ideas, okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed making our heart maps, and I loved learning about you this week and things you love, and I hope you love learning more about me. I'll see you later for our next lesson at Writer's Workshop. Bye-bye.